Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how you can turn off notifications in Palmon Survival. To turn off notification in Palmon Survival, the first thing you want to do is to launch open the game first, and once you're inside the main homepage of the game, go ahead and tap on your avatar at the top left corner, and from the page go to the bottom of the screen and tap Settings. Inside Settings, select Notifications. Under notifications, you'll see notification alerts for every other option such as upgrades in training, combat, guild events, resources full, guild rally, and so on this page. To turn off any notification, just go ahead and uncheck options such as upgrade training, combats, guild events, and so on. Select the area where you don't want the notification, toggle off the switch right next to them manually. But if you want to turn on some of the notifications out there, make sure they are selected to on. You can also check your device's settings and turn off allow notifications if you want to turn off all the notifications in it. Simply open up the settings application from your device, and from the settings app, scroll down and select apps. Inside app list, choose Palmon Survival from the list, open it up and click on notifications. And if you want to turn off all the notifications alert, toggle off the button right next to show notification. So right there you have learned how you can easily turn off the notification setting in Palmon Survival, whether it is a specific notification or your entire notification setting. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.